excited, huh?
Not
This
much.
is people.
Just excited.
This is Weza. He was very worried and running line before, but settling now.
I have something to say. Guys, we made it. Hello kids, if you're watching this is your future mother and your aunties. This is your auntie Boy Kim, and this is your uncle Kamson. And we have Uncle Koryo, Auntie Rebecca, Auntie Lolika, Coco and Sumit. Go.
Jingkai. Rebecca.
Hi.
So we are just trying to order the.
Yeah, we're trying to order this veg burger. This is
And we don't know where the girls' party went. We have been searching for them. They got lost.
Well, in fact, we don't give a shit about that.
Seriously, I regret wearing like half pants.
how's your experience so far,
Why?
Jingkai?
What happened? Yeah, you feel cold, right? Check out the cooler.
How are you feeling now? Everything good?
Super.
Yeah. How's your journey so far?
So far it's good because I
For this golden level, need a little bit lower.
Burger, right?
Yeah, but roti here. Roti what we don't take. No need this boy.
Just send.
Burger or nothing?
want to eat roti.
Come there, we'll go and take.
They're gonna have burgers.
It's very clear now. See.
Oh, it's 2 minutes. Roti is roti. We'll go and get it.
Huh? Let's eat roti, right?
Yeah, let's go then.
Brother and sister. Yeah, brother and sister.
Later.
So guys, finally I got my plate. This is the burger that they serve here.
Tasty. This is mine. This is mine.
This is yours.
Thank you.
We'll eat this as well as the roti. No.
Yeah, we are now. Right
We had
now.
our dinner and now we're having ice cream. We're really having a good time. All our vloggers now.
Hi. Let's go.
With my beloved.
High to low, low to high.
Hello,
Hey,
we're having sweet corn now.
Little bit. These are sweet corns.
No, focus. Yeah, like this. Done.
Actually, this sweet corn is from Bangkok.
Everyone, ha.
You know what? This is not good.
This is
Same, but
food fighter.
Wait, let's get now.
This guy also not same, just blaming another.
Okay, wait. So,
This is for Rebecca. How keep?
we're back.
Oh.
So we're back. Now we have stopped halfway. We're on our way to Manali. We just had a
So guys, today we have here the food fighters, last man standing. Guy Mason. And we have another competitor.
You know what?
Oh,
They
yeah,
say
okay.
the last bite is always the best bite, so this is the best bite.
Okay, we'll see. Nice.
morning.
Morning.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful
and we're
day. Profound morning.
How do we say in? Look
First
at
of
my
October,
eyes.
New month, new inspiration.
Oh, look at my eyes. Nobody's gonna look at your eyes. Good morning, Lisa.
Hey, you don't come here.
Just it's just a random picture.
We just woke up. You look like
Too much picture is bad for health. Enough, guys.
Hey, oh, the camera will go. This is Manali Mental.
I mean, we can go out for brunch.
You can see some views of Manali from here. Shops, everything.
We never expected Manali will be this uphill, but yeah, it was very exciting.
Yeah, for our viewers.
For our viewers.
People, any
thoughts on
few
Manali?
thoughts, sentence you want?
Yeah, what is the first impression?
You like?
Yeah, I'm really excited. That's all.
Is the angle okay?
So obviously there's a lot of traffic because this is one of the top tourist spot. But if you love Manali, then that's nothing.
And now we are heading to our hotel.
Yeah.
We'll just let you know after some time.
Yeah, since we have already reached here with our plans for the weekends.
We have a lot of plans, but for today we'll be giving you the room tour, the view, and after that we'll go out to explore the local areas and we'll give an update on that.
Yeah. We'll see how things turn out within these weeks.
Look at that gate.
See how we experience in Manali. Oh, there's a gate. Cute. Okay, you cannot see anything. Experience.
It's very up here, right? Like it's just like back home, huh?
So for the first time, Kurangkam, he lost his heart.
Wait, it's not lost his shirt.
And he is crying like it didn't look at his eyes.
No. Don't zoom in. My lips are how they advertise the hotels and all.
Yeah.
The way how they describe their surroundings. Expectation and reality is totally different.
So we reached the resort the next morning. We rest for some time and go out for a walk in the evening, and we see around nearby resort area. After that we come back and rest comfortably for the next day. Thank you so much for watching first episode, and please stay tuned for second episode.